Now, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, we have decided to take it up today. There was, no. Morning we decided. There was an understanding we will take it up already. But I would caution you, the total time allotted is only 1 hour. 1 hour, and we will be very strict to that. Now, Sri Arun Jaitley to move.
Yeah, Deputy Chairman,
Yeah,
sir,
yes,
I rise
Your
to
Honour.
move that the bill to consolidate and amend the laws relating to reorganization and insolvency resolution of corporate persons, partnership firms and individuals in a time-bound manner for maximization of value of assets of such persons, to promote entrepreneurship, availability of credit and balance the interest of all the stakeholders, including alteration in the order of priority of payment of government dues, and to establish an Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, as passed by the Lok Sabha, be taken into consideration.
That's all. Yeah. Sri Anand Sharma, you can speak. Total time is 16 minutes. Your party has 2 speakers. So, confined to 10 minutes.
Take the opinion of the House. So long this bill is discussed, it should continue. You should not. This is a very serious bill.
I have
May
no.
not be everybody
It is up to
interested.
the House. I have no
am
problem.
interested in my point. Don't intrude upon my right to speak out on the
The
issue.
time allotted by BSc is 1 hour. What do I do?
How? Who are?
You are also represent the BSc.
No. It is not 1 hour. You have subsequently guillotined the time.
No, I have not done that. How can I do that?
The time has been subsequently guillotined.
No,
Don't
what is
say
the
BSc has given it 1 hour.
Mr. Naqvi, what is the position? I have never, how can I cut the time which has been allotted by BSc?
सर
No, BS
एक घंटे का है अब ऑनरेबल तपन दास जितनी देर बोलना चाहे बोले लेकिन 1 आवर
Tabanji, the time allotted is 1 hour, but if you want 1 or 2 minutes more, okay, that is the point. Sri Anand Sharma ji. Yeah, आपका very good, very liberal.
Mr. Deputy